So after analyzing the data, we identified that over 47% of all the patients hospitalized because of the coronavirus require mechanical ventilators. So with this piece of data, I had the idea to develop a project where here at FHWS, we create multiple models of mechanical ventilators where people can build themselves, which are very low cost. So this model, this variant, we are using an Arduino Uno with a motor driver and a fan. This fan is used to keep it cool for long periods of operations because this equipment is expected to be reliable 24/7. So here you can see at the moment we are using only 2 3D printed parts, but we are planning to reduce the size and make almost entirely 3D printable, so anyone with the access with a 3D printer can build themselves the equipment. The motor we are using is also a stepper motor, which is very cheap. Here in Germany, it costs around 10 euros, 12 euros, and it's widely available. So you can see here we use an ambu bag, which is ISO standardized and is a closed system. So there are no external particles going through the patient lungs. It's a very simple design, but very reliable. So now we are going to demonstrate here the efficacy of the system and the compliance with the ISO system ventilator requirements. As you can see, the system is reliable, it's very simple, and our software also allows for slight variations because we are using a transfer function which can be calibrated every time you build the machine. So it is play and plug. You just need to attach the software to the Arduino and everything can run smoothly, as you saw in this presentation. Thank you for your attention.